So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to increase the indent size here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word once that is done. If you were to just type normally right now, so I'll just type in the word normal just like that. There's no indent whatsoever. If you were to press return a couple times and press on tab on your keyboard, this is just the generic indent size. So I'll type in the word normal right here, just like that. Now, if you want to decrease or maybe increase indent even more, simply just go to the top here to where it says view. Right below that on the right hand side, it says increase indent. If you were to press that a couple times right here, you can actually increase the indent right here. So you can keep doing that. You can increase it one more time, whatever the case may be. Make the indent whatever size you want or however large you want here in Microsoft Word. So fairly straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to increase the indent here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.